In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy on your Brother MFC-J1360DW. First thing, you need to decide which one of the scanners you will use. So we have a top document feeder, an automatic document scanner, name it the way you want, on the top, in case you have multiple pages you wish to scan. If this is what you want to do and make a copy of a document with, I don't know, 10 pages, you're going to place all the pages, make sure there's no staple, facing down. If these tabs are in this position, simply push them to the extremities, and you're going to glide the paper in between them and make sure it's passing under these two tabs. If you're going to use the basic scanner over here, same thing, put your document facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side. And now you need to bring this corner of the document, the top left one, to the top left corner of the scanner. This is how you know that everything is properly aligned. Now close the lid. Make sure that the printer is turned on, and if the display is not turned on, simply press OK to wake it up. You can always extend this flap over here because the copy will come out. And now you have multiple choices. This is the main menu over here. You can go through all the options using these arrows. So the quality, do you want a normal scan, or you can put a better quality if you want. The paper type and other things, like if you want to enlarge the copy, the contrast, if you want to remove the background, if you want to do a double-sided copy. Okay, all these options will be over here. Simply press OK to enter one of these and change. Once you're ready, you have these two choices: a black and white copy with this white button, or a color copy by pressing the green button. I'll press the green button, okay, right over here. And right away, it will start scanning. The printer knows exactly where you have put your document, on the top or over here. And let's wait a few more seconds. It's coming out. Here we go. So right now we got a copy of the document that was right over here. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to check my Amazon links if you want to get some new ink for this specific Work Smart printer, or even some brand new paper. See you in the next video.